We were here today at a travel and transport and hospitality event to really talk to the people who are going to be the future leaders of this industry.
A chance for students to understand what's happening right now, where the industry is going to go in the next few years, and frankly how they can play a part as future leaders. The most interesting thing I got out of today was just the breadth of the industry. You know, the complexity of those companies both building really strong brands to customers like Google and TripAdvisor, but also just the amount of companies working behind the scenes just to make sure the technology all works, but a great way to kind of get a huge amount of knowledge in a short space of time.
It's so much more relevant to hear people who are working in industry rather than reading about it 2 years later in a journal, so you're actually hearing what's happening on the ground.
So hosting events like this at the University of West London have significant benefit. You know, we've got industry leaders, we've got entrepreneurs, talking to the people who are going to make a difference in the future.
Hosting it somewhere here is so useful because you can get everybody in the room at the same time, so you can share a lot of information very quickly.
People you wouldn't necessarily be able to speak to unless you're maybe going there to have a job interview or you know that person, so it's great. Like having the networking event afterwards, being able to speak to those people and just go into a bit more depth about my interests and be able to speak what possible avenues I could have in the future.
It's great to see so many young, aspirational students in one room, really excited for the travel industry. I think we need more of that.
Very thoroughly enjoyable day, very good, and potentially, yeah, bodes well for the future.
It's an awesome day for us, and we should have more events like these. And for whoever's organized, I'd like to thank them from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much.